Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do some sous vide spare ribs on the grill. Right now I have the sous vide machine set up and I'm setting it the temperature at 150 degrees. And I also want to set my temperature timer for at least 5 hours and 30 minutes. So right now what I'm doing is I want to go ahead and preheat this water bath to cook our spare ribs in. If you've never done sous vide cooking before, trust and believe me, this is an experience that you must try. I'm telling you, if you're in that kitchen, you've got to try it. So right now what I'm doing, I got me some spare ribs that was already trimmed, and I'm putting on some mustard on this here because we're going to season this baby up and we're going to sous vide cook it. And if you continue to stick with me in this video, you will see the total process of how I finish this rack of ribs. So I'm putting on the mustard on it now. The mustard is going to be used as a binder for the seasoning. All right, so I got me some homemade barbecue seasoning that I pretty much fixed up myself. Now, you don't initially have to use this seasoning that I've created. You could create your own, or you could use any type of store-bought barbecue seasoning. Here's the question that I would love for you guys, man, to answer if you can. What is your favorite barbecue seasoning that you like to use whenever you're grilling on the grill or using for any barbecue recipe? Share that with me. All right. And here's another thing. I want you guys to also share with me your favorite creation of a barbecue seasoning that you use. Share it with me below in the comment section. I will check it out, and also I will try and create your recipe and use it in one of my barbecue cooking videos. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking my barbecue seasoning and I'm just spreading it on both sides. All right, I just want to get an even coat of this here barbecue seasoning on these here rack of ribs. And again, I said we're doing sous vide cooking. All right. And there is a lot of sous vide cooking on YouTube. So if you want to get a little bit more information on what sous vide cooking is all about, all you have to do is just go on YouTube, and I guarantee you're going to find some excellent people out here, man, that's doing sous vide cooking with sous vide machines. You can find these little sous vide machines just about anywhere now, whether it be on the internet, whether it be at Walmart, or even at some Lowe's stores, or you could definitely find them at Best Buy. All right, so now since I've been seasoning up this here rib, I let it set for at least around about 30 minutes, and you can see the transformation of the color. It's a little bit more reddish. So I got me a vacuum seal bag. So whenever you're sous videing, you're definitely going to use vacuum seal bags, or even Ziploc bags would work as well. All right. So I'm taking this rack of ribs, placing it inside of the Ziploc bag. All right, I'm sorry, the vacuum seal bag, because I want to go ahead and seal this baby up. All right, and I'm telling you guys, man, you have to try this. The meat will be definitely tender whenever you finish cooking this here. So I have my vacuum sealer, and I'm sealing up the ribs right now. And once this is done, we off to another world, y'all. All right. Now I want to invite you back to Planet Ray Mack. All right, so here we go. We got the sous vide machine ready. The water is set and is ready to go. Like I said, I got my temperature set at 150 degrees. It has reached that temperature. Your sous vide machine is ready whenever it reaches its desired temperature that you've set for it. So now what I'm doing with the rib, I got it placed inside the bag, and I'm using a paper clip just to keep it steady or keep it held down into this sous vide bath. And we're going to let it cook for at least around about a good 5 hours or so. And once this finished cooking within that sous vide bath, then that's a wrap. We're ready to go ahead and take it out of the sous vide bath, just as I did here. And we're gonna let some of these here juices out of the bag. Not some of the juices, we're gonna let all the juices out of the bag. You hear what I'm saying? So once we've done that, and I'm piercing a little hole on the side, okay, cutting a little hole on the side, and I got me a little container because I'm gonna show you exactly what the process is whenever you're cooking sous vide, whether it be steak, pork, chicken, fish, even vegetables. You're always going to have moisture inside of your vacuum seal bag or even your Ziploc bag. So I'm just taking a container and I'm pouring that juice out inside this here container. Now what I want to do is go ahead and take the ribs completely out of the bag. Now I got me some paper towels and I want to go ahead and just try to dry this off the best way that I can. I'm going to dry off the front end and also the back end of this here spare ribs. And I know some of you are saying right now, ooh, those ribs, they don't look so appeasing right now. They don't look good right now. But trust and believe me, these ribs might not be finished right now, but they're definitely going to be finished right at the end of this here video. And when I tell you that these ribs are good, they're ready to eat right now as you see it. These ribs are ready to eat now, but we need to get a little color to these ribs, okay? Because some people will look at this and be like, hey, I can't eat that. But I'm telling you right now, the flavor is packed in these here ribs, just as they are right now. But I'm taking some more of my barbecue seasoning and I'm sprinkling it right on top, all right? Now, I want to also take this and flip it on the other side and season the other side of this here rib. All right, so once that's done, we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. And my next step is this. I want to take a container and I want to fill that container up with my favorite barbecue sauce. Now, my favorite barbecue sauce is Mike D's barbecue sauce. All right, so I'm using Mike D's barbecue sauce. And if you want to know who Mike D really is or what this Mike D's barbecue sauce is all about, go to www.mikeds.com. All right, MikeD's.com. Or you could just Google in on Instagram or Facebook or even TikTok, Mike D's barbecue, and you would definitely see who I'm talking about. So you could use your favorite barbecue sauce as well. It don't matter. So I went and I put the barbecue sauce on the ribs and I cut them all into one single bone. If you don't want to cut it into one single bone, you don't have to. All right. So now I got my grill prepared. And with that being said, I got a lot of other stuff that's on this here grill. But I put those ribs on the grill just so that they could get some color. Remember, these ribs are already done. The only thing I want to do is get some nice color on these here ribs and let that barbecue sauce caramelize, and they gave me a nice color. Now these ribs look appealing. They are ready to eat. They're ready to be smackalicious. Smackalicious. They're ready to be they're ready to be devoured, okay? So I want you guys to definitely, man, if possible, invest in a sous vide machine. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get the most expensive sous vide machine that's out here on the market. You can still stick with the cheaper versions of these sous vide machines, and I guarantee you, you will definitely produce some good tasting food. You could even fry chicken with a sous vide machine. And if you guys want to see how I fry chicken sous vide way, just go ahead and comment and say, show me the fried chicken. Just comment, show me the fried chicken. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this here video. If you could, please watch these two videos. It would definitely help me a lot, and I would definitely appreciate you a lot. If you want to become a Ray Mack's family member, if you see my photo right now, all you have to do is just click on this photo. Go ahead, click on it right now. Once you click on this photo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you will become a Ray Mack's family member for life. And I just want to say thank you so much once again for watching this here video. Leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and I always would say this: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. And if no one told you that they love you today, let me be the first to tell you I love you, and may God bless.